Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the two important concepts: the differences between differences. Okay, differences between differences between male and female cockroach. Male and female called cockroach. Male and female cockroach we are going to discuss. Okay, male and female cockroach. Yes. Now divide column, divide like this. Character. Okay. Character. Next. Male cockroach. Male cockroach. And female cockroach. Male cockroach, female cockroach. Okay, children? Yes, observe very carefully. First character, abdomen. Abdomen. So in the male character, long and narrow. Long and narrow, short and broad. Short and broad. Next one, segments. Segments. In this, the abdomen, nine segments are visible. The abdomen, 9 segments are visible. In the abdomen, 7 segments are visible. In the abdomen, how many? 7 segments. 7 segments are visible. Next, anal styles. Anal styles. Anal styles present. Anal styles present. Here, absent. Next, terca. We called terca. 7th tercum covers 8th tercum. 7th tercum covers 8th tercum. 7th tercum covers 8th tercum. 7th tercum covers 7th. Okay, 7th tercum covers 7th tercum covers 8th and 9th terca. 8th and 9th terca. Next, brood pouch. Brood punch. Brood pouch. What do you call brood pouch? Absent, present. Absent and present. Antenna. Antenna. Longer in length. Longer in length. Shorter in length. Longer in length and shorter in length. Next, wings. Wings. What are the wings? Extend beyond the extend beyond the tip, extend beyond the tip of abdomen, tip of abdomen. Here extends up to the end of abdomen, extends up to the end of abdomen. Okay children, these are the important points. Okay, observe carefully. We are discussing the differences between male cockroach and female cockroach. Character, male cockroach, female cockroach, we are seeing differences. Suppose abdomen you see. In the male cockroach, abdomen is which one? Long and narrow. Long and narrow. In the female cockroach, it is short and broad. Long and narrow, short and broad. The segments in the abdomen, 9 segments are visible. In the abdomen, only 7 segments. Very, very important point. Important this is. Here 9 visible, here 7. Why? I will tell the reason. Anal styles are present, anal style absent. Terga, 7th tergum covers the 8th tergum. 7th tergum covers the 8th tergum. Here 7th tergum covers the 8th and 9th tergum. That's the reason. You understand or not? Here 7th tergum covers the 8th and 9th region. That's why abdomen 7 segments are visible. Here 9 segments are visible. Okay. Next, brood pouch are absent. Brood pouch are present. Antenna longer in length. Antenna shorter in length. I extend beyond the tip of the abdomen. Wings extend up to the end of abdomen only. Beyond the abdomen, extend up to the end of the abdomen will be there. These are the major differences. What is that one? 7th tergum covers the 8th tergum. 7th tergum covers the 8th and 9th tergum. This is the major difference between the which one? Male cockroach and which one? Female cockroach. Male cockroach and female cockroach. Okay. Now we are going to check another important concept, that is anatomy. Okay. What we are going to discuss? The anatomy. Anatomy. Okay. First one, digestive system. Digestive system. First point. The digestive system of cockroach. The digestive system of cockroach consists of the alimentary canal, next, and digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive glands are present in the digestive system. The alimentary canal present in the body cavity. The alimentary canal present in the body cavity. The body cavity and is divided into three regions. What are the 3 regions? Number 1, what are the 3 regions? Foregut. Number 2, midgut. Number 3, what we call hindgut. Foregut, midgut, hindgut. Next, the foregut. The foregut includes What floor cuts includes? What are the floor cut includes? Pre-oral cavity, pre-oral cavity. Okay, pre-oral cavity. Next, mouth, mouth and pharynx. Mouth and pharynx are there in the foregut. And esophagus and also present. Esophagus is present. Next, what we have to remember is esophagus is present. This in the tongue opens into this in turn opens into this in the turn opens into a sac like structure, a sac like structure called the crop. The sac like structure called the crop, which is used for storing food. Next, the crop is followed stored food, which is used for storing food. Okay, children, the crop is followed by the crop is followed the gizzard or proventriculus gizzard or proventriculus, which has an outer layer of thick circular muscles, and thick inner circular muscles and thick inner circle cuticle, thick inner cuticle, forming six highly chitinous plates called teeth. Now, next, gizzard helps in the grinding of okay, very very important, grinding of the food particles. Okay, children, this is important. Grinding of the food particles. The midgut is a short. The midgut is a short and narrow tube. The midgut is a short and narrow tube. Behind the gizzard, behind the gizzard, very very important. behind the gizzard and is glandular and is glandular behind the gizzard and is glandular. What you called glandular behind the gizzard and is glandular in nature. Glandular in nature. At the junctional region of okay, the junctional region of the junctional region of the junctional region of the gizzard are eight fingers, like tubular blind processes called the tubular blind process called the hepatic CK. Very very important. Hepatic CK or also called enteric CK will be present. Hepatic CK or enteric CK. The hindgut is next. The hindgut is marked by the presence of okay 100 to 150 yellow colored 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filaments. Thin filaments. What are the thin filaments? Filamentous. Thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. Will be present. Thin filamentous Malpighian tubules which are helpful in very important removal of excretory products from the hemolymph. Okay children, next the hindgut is okay broader. Hindgut is broader than the midgut. Okay children, the hindgut is broader than midgut. Next, and is differentiated into what are the parts? Come on. Ileum, colon, rectum. The rectum opens out through the which one? The anus. Okay children, observe very carefully. We are discussing the digestive system. What we are discussing children? we are discussing the digestive system of Periplaneta americana. So, in the digestive system of Periplaneta americana consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal present in the body cavity. Where alimentary canal is present in the body cavity and is divided into three regions. What are the three regions of alimentary canal? Okay, number 1 foregut, number 2 midgut, number 3 hindgut. Once again children, alimentary canal present in the body cavity like us and is divided into three regions: foregut, midgut, hindgut. Foregut, okay, foregut includes pre-oral cavity, number 1, mouth, number 2, pharynx, number 3, esophagus, number 4. So foregut includes pre-oral cavity, first mouth. Okay, before mouth, oral cavity space is there, then mouth is there, then pharynx is there, then esophagus is there. Okay, children, this is the turn open into a sac-like structure called crop. So the esophagus open into the which one? A sac-like structure, very very important. Sac-like structure called crop, which is used for storing of the food. The crop is followed by the gizzard. Very very important need bit. Gizzard. The gizzard are also called, what is another name? Gizzard are also called proventriculus. Gizzard is also called proventriculus, which has an outer layer of thick circular muscles, and thick inner cuticle forming six highly chitinous, very strong chitinous plates called teeth. What you called? They will be called teeth. Gizzard helps in the grinding of food. So chewing of the food, grinding of food particles will be takes place in the gizzard. Why highly chitinous plate called teeth is present in the gizzard? That is why the gizzard helps in the grinding of food particles. Next, the midgut is a short and narrow tube. The midgut is short and narrow tube. Next, behind the gizzard, okay, behind the gizzard and is glandular in nature. Behind the gizzard, a little glands are present. Okay, glandular, like glands in nature. At the junction region of the gizzard are what you called 8 finger like tubular blind processes called what you called at the junction region of the gizzard. Where the gizzard is there or not? There the gizzard. What are there? 8 finger like. What you called? 8 finger like tubular blind process. So this one is very very important. The midgut, near the midgut and joining the hindgut or not? There what you called? There will be what you called this particular 8 finger like tubular blind process called hepatic CK or enteric CK. These all are very important for the secretion of digestive enzymes. The hindgut is marked by the presence of 100 to 150. Again, number is coming 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. Thin filamentous Malpighian tubules are there, which are helpful in removal of excretory products from the hemolymph. So Malpighian tubules, what's the function of Malpighian tubules? Excretory organs of the cockroach or Periplaneta are Malpighian tubules. They are removal of excretory products from the hemolymph. Next, the hindgut is broader than the midgut. The hindgut is broader than the midgut and differentiated into ileum, colon, rectum. Ileum, colon and rectum. The rectum opens through the anus. Okay, children, once again should listen carefully. The alimentary canal, digestive system consists of what? Alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal present in the body cavity and is divided into three regions: foregut, midgut, hindgut. Next, the foregut includes pre-oral cavity, mouth, pharynx, and esophagus. This stun opens into the sac-like structure called the crop which is used for the storing of food. The crop is followed by the gizzard or proventriculus. Gizzard also called proventriculus, which has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and a thick inner cuticle forming a very important, 6 highly chitinous plates called teeth. The gizzard helps in the grinding of food particles, and the midgut is a short and narrow tube behind the gizzard and is glandular in nature. At the junction region of the gizzard and are 8 fingers. What is called? 8 finger-like structures are there. Tubular blind process called hepatic CK. What is called? Hepatic CK or enteric CK. This secretes the digestive juices, enzymes like that which are helpful for digestion. Next, the hindgut is marked by the presence of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. The excretory organs of the arthropods or cockroaches are Malpighian tubules, which are helpful in the removal of excretory products from the hemolymph. Is the blood is there? No, hemolymph, colorless blood. Okay, the hindgut is broader than the midgut and differentiated into ileum, colon, rectum. The rectum opens out through the anus. Okay, children, tomorrow we are going to discuss about the digestive glands. Thank you, children.